Hey guys, you can see this is like a bush, like a small forest. So this is a nature walk. Yeah, at the Giraffe Center, Nairobi. After visiting the giraffes and feeding them, now it's time for a walk inside this bush. And as you can see, there's nothing here. It's only the bush and me. So others we are many, but everyone goes his own path. You can choose any direction because it's like a forest. You choose where to go. Yeah, I can see. I've met a friend here. Is there a road passing through there? So I can. Ah, okay. Yeah, it's a walk. Hi guys.
Hello.
Hello. Hey.
Hi.
Guys, basically this is like as you can see. So now I'm in the middle of two paths, so I don't know which path should I go. Which one should I leave? I think I'll go with this one because I like adventures. So I want to explore. Oh, huh. This is like leading me to. It's like leading me to a river or what? Oh, let me read here. Giraffe walkway, back to center. What about that one? Giraffe walkway, giraffe allowed only. Do not go beyond this point. Oh, so I should not go beyond that point. Oh, I should not go beyond. I think I should be going back now. Daisy trail. See nature, my friend. My friends, you should visit this place, man. Wow. See the parts. You cannot even know where to finish it, my friend. You can get lost inside here. It's very easy to get lost here. Wow. Can hear people talking. They are also on the walk. Their walk. Back to the center. So which one is the center? I think I should just go with this and see where it will lead me to. I can hear something like a river. Something like a river. The water wobbling, wobbling. There must be something like a river. Let me check up, man. I like exploring so much. Adventure. Oh, what is this? Oh, guys, what is this? Am I getting lost or what? Whoa! I can see people coming from the other side. Oh, oh! I think this water, and there's somewhere people used to sit here. See nature, guys. So now we want to pass through this place. Gogo Trail. Wow, my friend, I'm telling you, you can't. Only the river will lead you there. But now coming out of this place, just pray you don't get lost. Just be reading these signs back to the center. But otherwise, now I have to go. Wow, see, guys, now we're going down. We're going down. Whoa, guys, I'm getting. It's like I'm getting lost. It's like I'm getting lost in the forest. Like, this is just like a forest, man. Can't call this a bush. These are forests, real forest. I can see a river down there. Well, I can also see some other people. Wow, see how the river is. The river is here, flowing, flowing, flowing. Whoa. Hello. Oh, see how the beautiful river. Wow. This is what I was looking for actually, guys. Whoa. He said, do not go beyond this point from over there. If do not cross the river. That's what they mean, I think. Whoa. My, oh my, oh my. I'm enjoying the walk, guys. So I'll have to go back with this route now. Have to use a different route. I've seen the river, which I wanted. And the bushes as usual here. The forest, I mean. I love the river, man. Just hear the voice, just hear the sound, I mean. Hear the sound. Flow, hear the flow, how it's flowing, the river. Water flowing. See the trees, guys. Wow, 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 wow. Yeah, I'm just walking, but with these trees I can't meet with some monkeys. Oh, the bones here. Oh, look at the river. I can't stop admiring it, man. Let me just have one more last look at it over here, guys. Look at the flow, man. Oh, flowing, flowing, flowing. Okay. Time to go back, back, back. Time now to go back, guys. climb this hill again. In this jungle like place. Oh, man, it was cool.
Yeah.
Whoa. This nature walk is nice, guys. I'm feeling good. Now it's like going up. Side by side, if you check, it's only bush. Oh, sorry, forest. Trees, trees, trees. Trees are surrounding. The good thing is that they've marked so you can't get lost here, even if the place is big. Oh, guys. We are going to finish up this one now. Almost. Almost the center. We are going at the center now. At least we've gone round the nature walk. See. Really enjoyed my walk, guys.
Mom, we already got this way. So we go this way.
Wow, almost there, guys. Whew. Guys, finally, we came out. Finally, we came out. Whew. And I'm also hungry now. I have to go and look for something to eat. To locate the car.